Quickly going across to Anuj as well, joining us from the national capital, Delhi NCR. Anuj, strict vigil still being maintained as far as the border areas are concerned because, as for Noida, there is more of a threat from Delhi is what the administration is seeing, is why they are continuing with that kind of a vigil. What more are you picking up?
Well, exactly as you pointed it out very rightly, that the strict vigil is here. And let me give you the sense from the border first, where I am reporting from, and you can clearly see the barricading that has been done. And on the other hand, we are continuously seeing the strict checking. And when particularly we talk about Noida, then the border is already sealed. There is no movement, unnecessary movement is not at all allowed. On the other hand, strict checking is being done. We are continuously seeing that the containment zones is being increased in Noida day by day. On the other hand, if we talk about particularly about Noida, then whole Noida can be said as a containment zone. On the other hand, if we talk about the numbers, then the numbers has already crossed 130. It is almost near to 134 what we have been told. If we talk about the positive cases in Noida, we also have to keep in mind that this is going to be now fourth day. Fourth day has been already left when we talk about the end of lockdown 2.0. So this is going to be very important. That what is going to be the next step of the government of India. Let me tell you that the division has been already done. This is red zone, this is orange zone, this is green zone. And if we talk about the numbers of red zone, then that is very much high in Noida. So keeping that in mind, the Uttar Pradesh government is of the view that what is going to be next, and will the lockdown extend, and what exactly will be the relaxation that will be given specifically by the Uttar Pradesh government. On the other hand, let me also remind you that there's some relaxation has been already given by the Ministry of Home Affairs, but the state governments are keeping a close eye that what exactly is the situation, and accordingly they will be taking the further action. So the meetings are on, the meetings are underway. On the other hand, this was Prime Minister himself who had word with all the chief ministers, where it was reported and where it was discussed that what exactly is the situation on the ground level. And we do understand that if we talk about the total number, then this has already crossed 30,000, and the most affected states are Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. So this also have to be kept in mind, and seeing all these measures now, this is going to be some announcement by the government of India that what exactly will be the next step. But the precautions should be taken. The mask, if we talk about, that is very much important. Social distancing as the mantra being given by the Prime Minister himself from the day one, that has to be followed, to remain indoor, work from home. These are the messages by the government of India and the Prime Minister himself.
The Prime Minister has already met several chief ministers, has taken into account all that is happening in several parts of the country. But, quick breaking update before we go across to Javed, who's reporting from the national capital. The Haryana government has decided to seal all borders with Delhi. Even people having travelling passes will not be allowed to enter the state of Haryana from the national capital. Javed, that's the latest breaking update. So borders being looked at very, very carefully, and especially because there is a spike in the number of cases in the national capital. The good news, though, that no new deaths have been reported in the last 24 hours. What is it that you're picking up?
जिस तरीके से दिल्ली में जो कोरोना के जो ग्राफ बढ़ रहे हैं, अगर हम अब तक के जो डाटा है फिलहाल उसको लेकर अगर हम बात करें तो 3108 डाटा है जो कोरोना पॉजिटिव ग्राफ बढ़ा है। और लगातार हरियाणा सरकार ने ये कहा कि जिस तरीके से दिल्ली में कोरोना के ग्राफ बढ़ रहे हैं, उसको देखते हुए अब दिल्ली के बॉर्डर को सील कर दिया गया है। कल से ही आप दिल्ली में जो दाखिल होने वाली गाड़ियां उनको नहीं होने दिया जा रहा है दिल्ली से उन्हें हरियाणा में। इस वक्त हम जो सूरजकुंड और पोर्ट पलातपुर दिल्ली का जो बॉर्डर एरिया है, यहां पर अभी तक हमें ये जानकारी मिली है कि 12 बजे तक के लिए थोड़ी सी छूट दी गई है। सिर्फ 12 बजे तक के लिए जो बहुत ही बेहद ही जरूरी, जिनको जाना जरूरी है, सबके लिए सबके गाड़ियों का रिकॉर्ड लिया जा रहा है, जिससे कि उनके रिकॉर्ड से ये पता चल सके कि कौन लोग पिछले कुछ दिनों से दिल्ली में आए थे या फरीदाबाद में से वो दिल्ली गए थे या दिल्ली से फरीदाबाद। इस वक्त जो लोग हैं सबके रिकॉर्ड को लिया जा रहा है और 12 बजे के बाद से सारी गाड़ियां जो हैं वो बंद हो जाएंगी। किसी भी इस बॉर्डर से किसी को भी जाने की इजाजत नहीं है। और यहाँ पर कहा गया है कि डीसी के पास को ही मान्य किया जाएगा, क्योंकि उसके अलावा जो भी आपके पास है, जैसे दिल्ली से अगर मूवमेंट पास बन रहा है आपको कंसल्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट से, वो भी माना नहीं जाएगा। एसेंशियल गुड्स जो हैं सिर्फ वही जा पाएंगी, उसके अलावा सभी गाड़ियां बंद कर दी जाएंगी। यहां तक कि डॉक्टर्स और पुलिस को भी इजाजत नहीं है। ये भी कहा गया है कि जो डॉक्टर फरीदाबाद में उनको ड्यूटी दे रहे हैं कोरोना को लेकर, या बाकी हॉस्पिटल में जो वहां पे अपनी ड्यूटी दे रहे हैं वहां पर हैं, तो वो फिलहाल फरीदाबाद में ही रुक जाएं। और दिल्ली में अगर कोई डॉक्टर्स हैं, उनका घर फरीदाबाद है, तो वो दिल्ली में ही रुक जाएं। उन्हें फरीदाबाद और हरियाणा के दूसरे इलाकों में जाने की इजाजत नहीं है। जो दिल्ली पुलिस के लोग हैं वो भी अगर वो हरियाणा के में कहीं के रहने वाले हैं तो वो फिलहाल अभी दिल्ली में ही रुकेंगे, उन्हें भी जाने की इजाजत नहीं है। ये साफ कह दिया गया और 12 बजे के बाद से इस पूरे बॉर्डर को सील कर दिया जाएगा। बैक टू स्टूडियो।
All right. So those with travelling passes also not being allowed from the national capital to Haryana. So strict vigil being maintained as far as border areas are concerned. Let's